So what is 8%? However, when can you apply the 8% tax rate? In short, not all self-employed individuals can place or make use of the 8% tax rate. Only some self-employed individuals. If ever your gross sales or receipts and other non-operating income does not exceed the VAT threshold, so let's say you do not exceed your total sales in a year does not exceed 3 million pesos, then pwede ka pong mag 8%. So how do we compute using 8%? So we get your net sales. So under your sales, we deduct your sales return, sales discount, and allowances. That will be your net sales. You add your other income. Ano yung mga idadagdag natin dito na other income? Ito yung mga other income not subjected to final tax. So let's say you are a professional or an independent contractor. Halimbawa, VA ka. So since VA yan, yung income mo nanggagaling sa ibang bansa, yun yung ating sales mo. Furthermore, so let's say ang net sales mo ay 600,000. Ang rental income mo ay 30,000. So ang total niya nan ay 630. So from 630, we deduct a deduction. What is the deduction?